Here's how to change the age guidelines for your Roblox game. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can update the maturity label on any game you've created in Roblox. So first, you need to open a web browser, go to roblox.com and log into your specific account. Tap on the Create option in the top of the screen that is between Marketplace and the search icon. On the next page, in the left menu, click on Creations, then select the game that you want to update. In the left menu, scroll down to the audience section and expand it. Then after, go to access settings, and here you'll get the section of age, which is indicating a specified minimum age for your experience. 9+ means users age 9 and older, and your experience may still be restricted based on the maturity rating of your experience. Here you'll see your content maturity label applied to your game, and you can change it according to your preference. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.